Why has it taken so long to do anything about climate change? Well, climate change is what's known as a super wicked problem, and that's because it's got many multiple and complex causes. Fundamentally, we know that it's caused by increasing greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. But what causes them? So you could say that it's the fossil fuels that we use for power and transport. But more than that, it's the cultural and the economic systems that we live in that are dependent on these things. Because it's so complex, the solutions to climate change are not simple, and they're not easy to decide what to do first. Different people define the problem in different ways, and this means that they have different solutions in mind. So it can be really hard to get agreement on the best way forward. We also depend on fossil fuels in ways that are really hard to undo. All our systems have been built around them, so finding new ways of doing things is difficult. But we are making progress. Only a few years ago, we were predicted to reach an almost unimaginable 4 degrees of warming by 2100. This would have been absolutely catastrophic for most of life on Earth. Now, thanks to changes in climate policy and renewable energy technology, we're projected to reach 2.5 degrees of warming by 2100. So that's still too much, but it shows what can be done. We are making progress on climate change, but now is the time that we have to dig deeper and work together to limit temperatures as much as we can. There are lots of different things that need to be done, from changing the way we produce food, to the ways we travel, and all the ways we power our lives. We also need to protect nature, and we need to protect all the natural carbon stores that are grown in our forests. People power is really important to making all these things happen. So by talking about climate change and making changes to your own lives, you can help speed up the pace of positive change.